I get asked a few times recently, what qualifications do you need to become a virtual assistant? And anytime I hear this question, I thought you are probably focusing on the wrong thing. That is why in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed explanation of what qualifications matter, what qualification doesn't matter, and what you should focus on if you want to become a virtual assistant and find your first client. Here is the truth. All the successful virtual assistants that I personally know doesn't have any academic qualification that contributed to their success. In fact, I don't think there is any academic qualification, there is any degree that is going to prove you can become a virtual assistant. My highest academic qualification is a college diploma in marketing, and I never used it once to get a VA client. But that doesn't mean no qualification matter. There are some certifications that can help increase your perceived value to client. I will give you an example. If you're going to become a social media virtual assistant, then having a social media management certification can help prove to your potential client you know something about managing social media account. If you have a maybe Google Workspace certification, it is going to help prove to potential client you know how to work with Google tools. You know how to work with Google Sheet, Google Doc, Google Forms, and all the tools under Google Workspace. If you have maybe a project management certification, it is going to help prove to potential client you know at least the basics of project management. So you see, the one thing that you should understand is virtual assistant client care only about your capability, what you can do for them. They don't really care if you have a degree in business administration, because someone can have a degree in business administration, but they don't have the right knowledge of working with all the Google tools. Like I have a college diploma in marketing, and I finished my college diploma without knowing how to use Google Form, without knowing how to use Google Sheet properly. I didn't know anything about project management. And that is why virtual assistant client doesn't care much about your academic qualification. They care about what you can do for them. I have had dozens of clients over the years as a virtual assistant, and I have been in dozens of interviews as a virtual assistant. And I've never been in an interview where my potential client asks me what are my educational qualifications. All the client ever asks me is what tools I know how to use, what is my relevant experience, and if I can describe a situation where I work with some certain tools or accomplish some certain task that they need help with. That is why knowing how to use the tools, knowing how to perform the task, that is all that matters. So instead of focusing what degree shall I get, what academic qualification shall I get, the main thing that you should really focus on is knowing how to do the job right, knowing how to work with all the tools that your potential client want to work with, knowing how to perform the task that your potential client will need help with. And that is why as a virtual assistant, you have to know your potential client. You know the type of people you are going to serve. If you are going to do project management, then you know you have to learn how to use Trello, ClickUp, Asana, project management tools. If you want to offer administrative assistant, then you have to know how to use all the Google Workspace tools, Google Sheet, Google Docs, Google Forms, and all the other tools under Google Workspace. When you know how to use all of those things, you have the right skills to perform the task for your client, then you can look for some certifications that can prove to your potential client you have the knowledge, you have at least the basic knowledge. Because as a beginner, you don't have any completed project, you don't have any past client testimonials, so it is going to be a little bit challenging for your potential client to trust that you do have the skills. And that is why if you can have some certifications on those things that you know how to do, then it can prove to your potential client, yes, you can do the job. And it can help put them at ease, hiring you, knowing you can do the job. But getting any type of degree, any type of academic qualification is rarely going to help you. The final thing that I want you to keep in mind is your work samples and an experience you can talk about in an interview is all that matters. If you have some work samples that you can show to your potential client and you have some work experience that you can talk about with a client in an interview, that is really all you need, not any academic qualification. And if you enjoyed this video, then YouTube think you are going to like this one too. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.